Trying to get slim? Looking for a new dietary supplement? So watch it to the end. Claritox review. The first thing you need to know is that the Claritox Pro is only sold on the official website. So be careful, I'm telling you this so that you can make a safe purchase and not acquire the product from a dubious source, which can put your health at risk. To help you, I will leave the link to the official site in the description. What is Claritox Pro? Claritox Pro is a dietary supplement created solely to prevent unsteadiness and support balance. Jim Benson created the recipe, which includes a long list of extraordinary plant nutrients and minerals. Benefits of Claritox Pro? 1. Claritox Pro is a supplement that can help you improve your mental health and maintain your body's balance. 2. Dazedness, wounds, and body disability can all be avoided. 3. Since the supplement is used regularly, no results have been disclosed. 4. Cases of Claritox Pro formula review are common, safe, and effective. 5. You may find a big number of client audits revealing the supplement's beneficial effects. 6. It aids in the development of mental clarity, alertness, and better cognition. 7. You can maintain strong energy levels and unwavering discernment and avoid fatigue and stress. 8. With good body balance, you can feel incredibly energized while remaining athletic and energetic throughout the day. 9. It makes you feel more youthful, confident, and free without causing any negative side effects. 10. The 60-day money-back guarantee gives you the confidence to try the supplement risk-free. Get yours in the description.